are blasting our way into Protocam to find out what the buzz is about manufacturing.
Manufacturing is the heart of America. I mean, in order for you to be a successful and secure country, you need to make your own products, and you can be part of that.
At Protocam, we're an additive manufacturing service bureau, which means we make things by additive manufacturing. You build a layer of something, stack it, stack it, stack it, and at the end, you have a fully three-dimensional object.
So that's the buzz in manufacturing.
I think kids think of manufacturing as like the old Bethlehem Steel words. It's grungy and you know, you go home, you know, black. What you're gonna find out here at Protocam today is it's almost like working in an office environment where it's very clean and you need to be thinking about what you're doing.
This machine here really represents what's so cool in manufacturing. It's a multi-jet fusion machine that prints production parts right out of the machine so they're ready to be used. And any leftover powder that we don't use gets drawn back and recycled.
Oh, that's what the buzz is about manufacturing.
We do a little bit of everything here at Protocam. Today could be, a medical type device, and tomorrow could be something for the government, and all the way to, helping a entrepreneur launch a new idea that they have.
That's the buzz about manufacturing.
It's a very dynamic and exciting field. It's changing very rapidly with 3D printing services. We get the raw prototypes and then assemble them, paint them, applying decals, doing different specialty finishes. This is a typical 3D printed bottle. Coatings are applied to the bottle that actually make them come out just like a glass bottle. So that's the buzz of manufacturing.
If I could describe Protocam in one word, I think it's awesome.
Unique.
Variety.
Innovative.
Innovative, fast-paced, unpredictable.
Awesome.
Very interesting.
Challenging.
Innovative.
Diverse.
Skillful.
Supreme.
Extravagant.
Diverse.
Intricate.
So that's the buzz about manufacturing.
For more information, visit whatsocool.org.